Alright guys, so if you have a problem of like setting this up because you've been taking out in and out in the vehicle, so this needs to be pressed in here. Set this thing up is you just have to turn this in like that. So if you take this out here, inside in here, see that little pin on the side? That pin will sit right here when it's tension out, and then when it's pre-tension it will sit right here. So that's why you had to spin it. Okay, so that's all the way out, and then we're gonna have to spin it so that this will catch to that pin inside. So it's a little tricky. There you go. Look at that. Got it. Just compress. There's a hole right here for the pin to go in to lock it. See the pin right there? So that means that it's gonna sit like that. So it's gonna go in like this, okay? I have to grab a vise or a press to press the inside of this thing because there's a lot of pressure on that thing. So I just use this manual caliper spread pad right here. Press it down all the way and then put the pin in, lock it in place, and then release the pressure of the press, and then there you go, it's right there. That's how you reset this hydraulic tensioner on your timing chain.